siblings. So guys, today we are here with a new video.
And today we are be making rose with Play-Doh.
So guys, without further ado, let's get started with our video. Don't forget to like
And subscribe.
and share with your friends.
Yay!
So guys, let's go.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Step 1. Mold the clay. Guys, make sure to make small balls out of your Play-Doh. They should be a little big, so you can make only 15 or less balls out of it.
along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Step 3. Squish the balls into circles. Size matters, not the quantity. Otherwise, yours will look like Hershey's.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Step 4. Roll the clay.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Please follow my steps.
Left. And on we'll
What to do is to overlap them very carefully. Do not put much pressure, otherwise it will squeeze. Of course, because it's Play-Doh, it is supposed to do that.
through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. On we'll go,
be done with the flower, and you can make it as desired. You can make it smooth on the edges or not. It will still look perfect. So guys, I'm going to smooth the edges to make it look a little bit more better, but you can do anything.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
Make the last layer a little bit more bended so it can look a little bit more real.
We'll go.
And also to look like it has bloomed.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Guys, I think it looks perfect.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
This is Hershey's flower. You can see what happens when you take small circles and have more quantity. Then it will look like this.
Which ones is better? Obviously, Hershey's green.
Echoing around.